Sri Lanka is an island, pearl of Indian Ocean. It is a biological hotspot. It harbors high genetic diversity, underlying its high biodiversity. Sinharaja forest in Sri Lanka is a pristine tropical rainforest, which is considered as the World Heritage Site. Due to high species diversity, endemism, and the vulnerability to extinction, a nature loving person must not miss visiting Sri Lanka and, in particular, visiting Sinharaja World Heritage Site, a cradle of tropical biodiversity. You would be able to experience and explore the pristine tropical forest in a very short distance if you enter through Lanka Gama. Not only that, there are 5 picturesque waterfalls within the distance of 3 kilometers along the nature trail from Lanka Gama. Some of these waterfalls have basins where you can have a bath. After walking along the nature trail that leads under the thick understory vegetation, we reached the Brahmanal. This is 31 meters tall and formed across a stream called Hariyavagola. When walked about 130 meters uphill along the nature trail, we arrive at a junction. Having turned on to the right, we walked along the nature trail that penetrated understory, interspersed with tall trees, adorned with climbers and lianas. Nature-made steps by the roots of these trees made our walk through easy. The exquisite scenic beauty of the vegetation, adorable songs of the birds, and the undulating noise of the crickets provide a blend of music to relieve our tiredness. There is a small waterfall by the nature trail, drinking a clean tropical rainforest water that flow through make us energized and invigorated. The water of this fall flow into the main stream called Hariyava. The place at which the water of the fall flow into the main stream is special. There is a 4-way junction formed from another water flow from the opposite direction. We reached to the second waterfall along the trail. It is called Nugadeka waterfall. There is another waterfall on top of it, like a crown. We reach another beautiful waterfall by conquering the trail covered with stones and roots. It is 25 meters tall and called Ura Vatunu Fall, or the fall where the wild boar fell off. Whitish column of water that we see through the trees cause a huge background noise. We reached a special type of waterfall along the track from Ura Vatunu Falls. There were many understory plants such as calophyllums and ironwoods. The red flush of the ironwood reminded us the flushed cheeks of the girls, adding a unique train of thought. This special type of waterfall is called Galloruva Fall. It has been formed from the eroded rock, as if a tree trunk is dug to form a boat. After descended along the track from there, we came across a flat waterfall. The natural pool in front of it is tempting us to take a bath in this clear and gushing water. This waterfall is called Thattuvel. After crossing the Thattuvel, we walked uphill to reach the waterfall called Duviliel. It is the best of all what we have seen up to now. The height marked as 35 meter and is also a part of the Hariyavadola. On one side, we see a falling water like a white whale, and on the other side, it was a stream of water that forms whitish globules when bumped into the rocks therein. The soothing feeling of the mist give us a very pleasant sensation. The huge greenish wall formed by the tall vegetation around us settle our mindset to be calm and quiet, with a feeling of being in a green world. My vocabulary is certainly not sufficient to explain the feeling of a human being in here.